A well-designed trail with fun challenges will keep riders coming back again and again. Once a trail is built, it needs to be maintained on a regular basis. Routine maintenance includes reopening the corridor, restoring the outslope, and improving water drainage. To reopen the corridor, trim back encroaching vegetation, and remove downed trees that block the path. To improve sustainability, re-establish the 5% outslope. To do this, remove any built-up berms on the outside of the trail, and remember to compact the entire surface. Now let's look at some ways to improve water drainage. A great time to evaluate drainage on your trail is during snowmelt or when it's raining. Some signs of poor drainage are puddles on flat areas of the trail and ruts caused by water running down the trail. If you can't get out when it's raining, use a foam ball to evaluate water drainage. If the ball continues to roll down the trail, this indicates where ruts will form. If the ball stops on the trail, this is where water will puddle.
Okay, so here's our fall line trail, and here's our water. A fall line trail will encourage water to flow straight down it. By using these balls, we can demonstrate where our water is going to flow.
You might even find something tucked away in your pack that'll work. The traditional way to correct drainage problems is to use wood or rubber water bars, but they can be problematic. They often clog with debris and need constant cleaning. And some users end up going around them, widening the trail. Let's look at other techniques that will divert water off existing trails. Nicks are used on flat trails where puddles form. A nick is a shaved-out section of trail, a sloping semicircle cut into the tread, about 10 feet long or 2 bike lengths. The center of a nick is outsloped about 15%. This ensures water will run off the trail. Nicks should be smooth, subtle, and unnoticeable to users. On steeper sections of trail, where ruts have formed, a nick alone won't be able to fix your drainage problems. In these cases, construct a rolling grade dip to keep water from bypassing the nick and continuing down the trail. A rolling grade dip is a nick with a mound on the downhill side. This mound is built up with the dirt removed from the nick and transitions onto the existing trail with a gentle ramp about 15 feet long. The mound will force water to exit off the trail at the nick. Don't confuse a rolling grade dip with a grade reversal. They are very similar, but grade reversals are built into new trails. Rolling grade dips are built into existing trails to fix drainage problems. To maintain nicks and rolling grade dips, regularly remove any leaves, needles, and silt that have built up over the season. If rolling grade dips and nicks don't solve your water problems, maybe it's time to consider a reroute. When rerouting a section of trail, remember to follow the same design elements you used when building a new trail. The 10% overall grade, the half rule, the maximum sustainable grade, grade reversals, and 5% outslope tread.